So one of the things that you can actually go ahead and do and keep in the make your own block is repeated elements. So to go ahead and do that, you can click on add elements right here. And then around over here, you can see the repeated elements section. So if I were to go ahead and click, you can see that I have two elements right here. So this is one and this is another. So you can go ahead and add in, let's say, for example, text, and then the text element actually pops up in two places. You can click on add item, and as I click on it, you can see that more repeated element comes up. And then you can go ahead and then change it out as per what you like right here. So you want more element, you can go ahead and click on add item, and then you can click on a particular element right here, let's say for example, and then delete it out as well. So delete out the element, and this is what you have. So let me just go around over here onto repeated element, and then I'm going to go around over here onto text. Let's say for example right here, I can remove this out as well, and so forth. So let's say in the repeated element right here, you can even go ahead and add in images as you wish. So now you can see that there's two image section right here, and you can go ahead and add in the item as you want to add in other element. For example, you can go around over here and select this out. You can go around over here and then select, let's say for example, this out, and then you can go ahead and select this out as well. So you got three elements right here, just like this. Apart from that, let me just click on add element, click on repeated element, and then if I were to go around over here, then you can go around onto buttons as well. So as I do that, let me just go around over here and add in the item right here. So now this is the link, as you can see right here, and then I'm going to go around over here just like this. And then this is what you have. You can go ahead and change around the text as you want and add in a link right here and save it out as you want. You can change around the design as you want right here and so forth. So basically you can repeat out different kinds of elements using repeated elements in Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.